Hey, what's good, people? It's Buds2, and today we have a mini Samsung unboxing. We will be checking out the silicone cover with ring for the Z Flip 4, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. You excited? I know I'm excited. Let's dive in. Let's go. All right, so let's just dive in with the buds. Now, every year I try to give Samsung earbuds a chance, and every year I am disappointed. So hopefully this is the year that I get excited about Samsung earbuds. I'm not going to do any type of test or anything like that. I am just going to check them out and see how they look if I can get inside of the box. All right, so we finally got the lid off. Let's see, you get a charging cable. All right, so at least they gave it to us. You get some extra pairs of tips. I will save those because I almost never have to replace the earbud tips. So yeah, you get 2 sets, so that is good, but I almost never have to replace the tips. Do I check and see if there's a better fit? I always do that just because that's how you can get that's how you can get the best fit for earbuds, but I never actually have to change them out. And that is sleek looking. Okay, I see you. You got the stealth on lock. That feels very nice. Like how that looks. Let's go ahead and pop them open. And yo, that looks dope. It has a matte finish. They're nice and tiny. These are actually like really small. I'm gonna do a fit test and all that like afterwards. If you want to see a video, let me know. I will be doing a couple videos on these, but let me know what you want to see. But so far, so good. I like how they look. They're not too big. They don't look like they're gonna go too deep in the air from just looks, but yeah, not a bad start. But let's move this ahead or this video is gonna be like 25 minutes. Next up, let's check out the silicone cover. Now, of course, I'm gonna wait to get to the phone because that's the main event. I've never actually had a Samsung case before, so I'm curious at what the quality is like. I've had a bunch of cases, just never an official Samsung case. And there it is. Now, I thought this was, oh, there it goes. Spoke too soon. So there's the ring for it. So yeah, it feels like it's a matte finish case. There's the blue ring. So this goes on. So let's see, this clamps on just like that. So you just put that on right there. You undo the tape here for adhesive, put that on. You got the ring right there. Not sure how that's gonna be. It feels weird. Not sure if that's considered quality for Samsung. I don't remember what the retail price for this case is, but I want to say it's like $35 to $50. This doesn't feel like a $35 to $50 case. Come on, Sammy, what you doing? Now, of course, we are to the Z Flip 4. So I got the Z Flip 3 right here. So I am excited to see if they have finally fixed the battery life. The battery life was my biggest issue with the Z Flip 3. I absolutely love that phone. And as you can see, I got the graphite. You know, I like my phones boring. So let's go ahead, and I'm not even gonna harp on the fact that there's no charger in the box. We know the deal. Not a fan of it, but are they really gonna fix it? Yeah. But here is the device. Yo, that is clean. Now, if you can see, I had the black one last year. This year I decided to go with the graphite. I think I prefer I prefer the graphite color more than the black, but we'll have to see. They did change up the borders. So what is this, like stainless steel or aluminum going around the borders? Not sure how I'm feel about that because that will be a fingerprint magnet. Let's go ahead and turn the phone on. Come on, y'all didn't send me a dead device. Come on, don't do that. Y'all gonna do me dirty. All right, let's go ahead and for the first fold, let's go ahead, the first flip. Boom. Woo-wee. Everyone said that after the gimmick of getting the Z Flip 3 that the gimmick would fade away. I can tell you 1 year later, it is still just as much fun as day one. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, there it is side by side. Let's see, can you tell a difference? Now, maybe let me know if I'm tripping, but I feel as if the gap on the Z Flip 4 is wider than what's on the Z Flip 3. I was actually hoping that it would actually be thinner or less noticeable, but I think it actually got bigger. I was not expecting that. Now, I haven't watched any videos. I didn't go to Best Buy. I didn't go for a sneak peek, anything like that. I placed my order and I forgot about it. So I haven't watched anyone's videos or anything. So I have a lot of catching up to do. But I was really hoping that the gap would be slimmer, but I think it got wider. What is that doing? Maybe there's a purpose. I don't remember the event all that much, but maybe there's a reason. Now for the display, let's see on the outside, the display is supposed to be bigger, and you can see that it is just a little bit bigger. The punch out is a little bit smaller than what's on the Z Flip 3. I'm kind of curious, if you have a Z Flip 3 case, can you put it on the Z Flip 4? Well, let's try this. We can get our answer right now. So this is the Z Flip 3. Let's go ahead and put the Z Flip 4 case on the Z Flip 3. I don't know. I think, don't hold me to this, but I think if you got a Z Flip 3 case, I think you might be able to use it on the Z Flip 4. Maybe it's just me, but let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see something. Volume down, volume up. Nothing's being blocked. Your Type C. I mean, I'm not saying do this at home at all, but if you got a Z Flip 3 case, you might be able to put it on your Z Flip 4. All right, so look, the Z Flip 4 case is on the Z Flip 3. Let me go ahead and put a Z Flip 3 case on a Z Flip 4. All right, so this is a Z Flip 3 case. This is the Z Flip 4. Let's go ahead and snap it. It is, I don't know. I'm not saying do this, but if you got a Z Flip 3 case that you like, hey, I'm just saying, y'all didn't hear this from me. Like, I can go back after all this, y'all didn't hear this from me. But I'm just saying, if you got a Z Flip 3 case that you really like, you might not have to buy a new case. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, I am excited to dive into the Z Flip 4. I am hoping that the battery issue has been fixed. I will say that the 4 is noticeably more heavy than the 3. Didn't think it would go that way, but I will also say that the 4 feels more premium than the Flip 3. Now, if you like a light phone and you enjoyed how light the Flip 3 was, that may be an issue, but this does feel like an updated device. Not sure how I feel about the shiny edges. Think that's going to pick up fingerprints. But I rock cases when I'm heading out. But I mean, right now it's not picking up fingerprints. But I'm surprised it's actually not picking up a whole bunch of fingerprints after all this time. But I am going to go get this set up. It is on 29%. One of the first things I'm going to do is do a charge test. I have got to do that. I want to see if it charges faster and if the battery life is better than what's on the Z Flip 3. That way you can actually consider updating. Let's see, thickness and height. I think they're pretty much the same height. You can see that the front cover display is a little bit bigger than on the Z Flip 3. Don't know if that's gonna lead to like more screen real estate with that. I can actually check that now. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Does it look like you have more space? I don't know. Let me know. I am definitely going to start playing with this. If you have any questions, hit me up. I will be doing video after video. If there's anything you want to see specifically, let me know. It's Buds Tech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.